Spaghetti. Just hearing the word can make your mouth water, can it? This beloved pasta has a special place in the hearts of food lovers around the globe. Imagine the long, thin strands of golden pasta being extruded in a bustling factory. The process is mesmerizing, almost like watching a culinary ballet. From the cozy trattorias of Italy to the vibrant streets of America, the bustling kitchens of Japan to the lively markets of Brazil, spaghetti is a universal favorite. It's a dish that transcends borders and cultures, bringing people together over a shared love for its simple yet versatile nature. Spaghetti serves as the foundation for an endless array of mouth-watering dishes. Whether it's a classic plate of spaghetti with tomato sauce, a rich and creamy carbonara, or an elegant seafood pasta, the possibilities are endless. Each dish tells its own story, reflecting the unique flavors and traditions of its origin. But have you ever paused to think about the journey of spaghetti from the factory to your plate? The process of making spaghetti is a fascinating blend of art and science, requiring precision and care at every step. Let's embark on a journey inside a spaghetti factory to uncover the secrets behind this beloved pasta. From the selection of the finest durum wheat to the careful mixing and kneading of the dough, every detail matters. The dough is then extruded through special molds to create those perfect strands of spaghetti we all know and love. Quality control is a crucial part of the process. Each batch of spaghetti is meticulously checked to ensure it meets the highest standards. This ensures that every bite of spaghetti you enjoy is of the finest quality. Once the spaghetti has been dried to the perfect consistency, it's carefully packaged and prepared for shipment. From the factory, it travels to stores and eventually finds its way into your kitchen, ready to be transformed into a delicious meal. And so, the journey of spaghetti comes full circle. From the factory floor to your dining table, this humble pasta brings joy and comfort to countless families around the world. So next time you twirl a forkful of spaghetti, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken to reach your plate. Spaghetti is more than just food. It's a symbol of connection, tradition, and the simple pleasures of life. Bon appétit! Our journey begins with a simple ingredient, durum wheat. This special type of wheat is ground into a coarse flour called semolina. Semolina is the key to spaghetti's unique texture. It's high in protein, which gives the noodles their satisfying chewiness. Inside the factory, massive machines mix semolina flour with water. The ingredients are carefully measured to create the perfect dough consistency. Giant metal arms churn and knead the dough just like a baker would. This process develops the gluten in the flour, making the dough elastic and smooth. Now it's time to shape the spaghetti. The dough is pushed through a machine called an extruder. Think of it like a giant pasta press. The extruder has a metal plate with tiny holes shaped like spaghetti strands. As the dough is forced through these holes, it takes on the familiar long, thin form. Drying time from soft dough to firm noodles. The journey of spaghetti from its initial soft dough form to the firm, delicious noodles we all love is a fascinating process. Freshly extruded spaghetti is soft and delicate. At this stage, the noodles are pliable and can easily break apart if not handled with care. To give it the desired texture, it needs to dry. This drying process is crucial as it transforms the spaghetti from its fragile state to a more robust form. The strands of spaghetti are hung on racks or laid out on trays and gently dried with warm air. This method ensures that the noodles dry evenly and maintain their shape. This process can take several hours, depending on the thickness of the noodles. Thicker noodles require more time to dry thoroughly, while thinner ones dry more quickly. The drying time is meticulously monitored to ensure the perfect texture. During the drying process, the warm air circulates around the noodles, gradually removing moisture. This step is essential to prevent the noodles from becoming too brittle or too soft. Skilled workers often check the noodles at various stages to ensure they are drying correctly. They look for signs of uneven drying or any potential issues that could affect the final product. The drying process is not just about removing moisture, it's also about developing the right texture and flavor. As the noodles dry, they undergo subtle changes that enhance their taste and cooking properties. Once the drying process is complete, the spaghetti is ready for packaging. The firm noodles are now resilient enough to withstand transportation and storage without breaking. When you cook these dried noodles, they rehydrate and return to a tender state. perfect for absorbing sauces and flavors. The drying process ensures that the noodles cook evenly and have a satisfying bite. The journey from soft dough to firm noodles is a testament to the art and science of pasta making. Each step, from mixing the dough to drying the noodles, is carefully controlled to produce the perfect spaghetti. So, the next time you enjoy a plate of spaghetti, remember the intricate process that brought those noodles to your table. It's a blend of tradition, skill, and modern technology that makes every bite delicious. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Visit us regularly for more exciting videos on fascinating food processes and much more. Quality control, ensuring spaghetti perfection. Before the spaghetti is packaged, it goes through a rigorous quality control check. Trained inspectors examine the noodles for any imperfections in shape, size, or color. Only the best spaghetti makes it to the next stage. Packaging, getting ready for your plate. The perfectly dried spaghetti is now ready to be packaged. Machines neatly arrange the strands into familiar boxes or bags. The packaging helps protect the noodles from breakage and keeps them fresh until they reach your kitchen. Fun fact, Fusilli spaghetti trivia time. Did you know that the longest spaghetti noodle ever recorded was over 1,000 feet long? That's longer than 3 football fields. And speaking of football, in Italy, it's considered good luck to eat spaghetti before a big game. Beyond the bowl spaghetti, around the world. Spaghetti is a truly global food. In Italy, it's often served with simple tomato sauce, fresh basil, and grated Parmesan cheese. In the United States, spaghetti and meatballs is a classic comfort food. And in Japan, spaghetti Napolitan is a popular dish made with ketchup, mushrooms, and green peppers. Spaghetti Smiles, a culinary staple. From its humble beginnings as durum wheat to its final form as a beloved dish, spaghetti has captured the hearts and stomachs of people worldwide. Its versatility, affordability, and delicious taste make it a staple in kitchens around the globe. Conclusion: enjoy your next plate of spaghetti. So the next time you sit down to a steaming bowl of spaghetti, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to your plate. From the farmers who grow the wheat to the factory workers who carefully craft each noodle, it's a true testament to the art of food production. Buon appetito! Imagine the golden fields of wheat swaying gently in the breeze, nurtured by the sun and rain. Dedicated farmers work tirelessly, tending to these crops with care and expertise, ensuring the highest quality of wheat. When the time is right, the wheat is harvested using advanced machinery, a blend of tradition and technology. The harvested wheat is then transported to factories where it undergoes a meticulous process. Skilled workers inspect the wheat, ensuring that only the best grains are selected for production. The wheat is then ground into fine flour, the essential ingredient for making perfect spaghetti. This flour is mixed with water and sometimes eggs, creating a dough that will be transformed into spaghetti. The dough is kneaded and shaped, a process that requires precision and skill. It is then cut into long, thin strands and carefully dried to achieve the perfect texture. Once dried, the spaghetti is packaged and prepared for distribution, ready to make its way to your local store. As you pick up a package of spaghetti from the store shelf, think about the journey it has taken. When you cook it at home, whether it's a simple meal or a gourmet dish, you're part of a long tradition. Spaghetti can be enjoyed in countless ways, from classic marinara to rich carbonara, each dish telling its own story. Sharing a plate of spaghetti brings people together, creating moments of joy and connection. As you twirl the spaghetti around your fork, savor the flavors and the craftsmanship behind each bite. Remember, every plate of spaghetti is a celebration of the hard work and dedication of many individuals. So the next time you enjoy your spaghetti, take a moment to appreciate the journey from the wheat fields to your plate. Buon appetito! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Visit our channel regularly for more exciting videos on food production, culinary delights, as well as other exciting videos on how household items are made.